Have you ever taken a walk through a rainforest or gone for a ride through a national park and thought to yourself, wow, why does it feel so nice to be outside? Ecopsychology aims to answer this question by examining what it is about nature that tends to make us feel so happy. Ecopsychology takes elements of psychology's understanding of the mind and blends it with ecology's understanding of nature to investigate how the two work together to help us feel less stressed. First coined by Theodore Roszak in 1992, this field believes that a lot of our stress comes from our detachment from nature. The solution seems easy, just spend more time outside. But wait, what does this mean? How does being in nature actually help us reduce stress? Well, studies show that being in nature not only reduces stress, but actually helps us recover from it faster, enhancing our feelings of happiness, calm, and relief. But first, let's take a moment to quickly define what stress is. Stress is our body's innate reaction to any perceived threats. Stress evolved in humans as a protective mechanism. When our ancestors sensed a threat, their brain would send them a signal that would provide them with the energy they needed to escape a predator. Flash forward to today, the predators aren't there anymore, but the stress remains. The result? The same stress signals still flood our systems, leading to what we now understand as anxiety. So, what's happening in our brain when we feel stressed? When stress knocks on the door, our sympathetic nervous system springs into action. When our body perceives a threat, it enters into a fight or flight response. This stimulates the release of neurotransmitters and hormones such as adrenaline, norepinephrine, and cortisol, which increase our heart rate, blood pressure, and breathing. So, how does ecopsychology understand this stress? One key understanding of ecopsychology is attention restoration theory. This suggests that natural environments have a unique ability to refresh our mental energy and focus. Our brains are constantly screening out the unnecessary noise around us to help us concentrate. This theory suggests that in our urban lives, there are endless tasks that demand our attention. In nature, however, our brains can finally rest from the constant stimulation. The calm embrace of nature is able to capture our attention much more gently. This is known as soft fascination. So, how does this work in practice? Ecopsychology utilizes ecotherapeutic techniques to help us deal with stress. This involves engaging in activities that rebuild our connection with nature. Activities such as horticultural therapy, forest bathing, and even conservation work have been found to lower stress levels. And how do we know this works? Ecotherapy works in similar ways to other stress management strategies. By being present, self aware, and mindful, we're able to slow down our constantly stimulated minds and start to take more control over our thoughts and feelings. It's not just about the big, lush forests and the grand national parks. Even a room with plants or a scenic view from your window can do the trick. The key is to find what works for you and make it part of your routine. Our modern lives may be filled with stresses, but nature provides a sanctuary, a place to unwind, reconnect, and rejuvenate. So, next time you're feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, remember nature is just a step away.